Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plans on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and city stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using this beautiful kit. This is the June 25 mystery kit from the Pretty Pink Co. It screams more like, start of autumn or fall. So that's why I'm like, yeah, we're in the last part of August, maybe. No more summer kits for me. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base and I'll talk to you in a while.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cup my tea. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately.
Alright, so this August script is from the Paper Trail Plan scripts. And then for this base spread, I am using as usual the sidebar wash that the kit comes with. So yeah, there's always a sidebar wash like this. And then so this is like an art kind of kit with paints and all this what do you call this, the tools or the accessories that you need to do paintings, right? So yeah, so it's like paint splatters, right? What I'm getting to is that I decorated this spread thinking, since we're talking about paint, I don't know what I'm leading up to, but then I'm just waiting for this page to go to the second page because that's where I wanted to describe what I was thinking of doing. So putting down the full boxes here for the first half of the week, and I think some deco on the bottom page, but what I really wanted to do was here where this is my paint splatter, so it's like splattered across the second half of the page. That's my thinking, and this is where I will put all the like big deco splattered across the page, something like that. That is my idea. So that is what I did. I tried to evoke that kind of feeling. So I had to soften again those sharp edges with some alcohol ink swatches, and then to connect those three huge decos, I was using the florals. Yeah, just to help unify it, sort of. My way of unifying stuff is putting down florals. And then I put down the foil from the kit that is like an add-on as well. And yeah, that's my thinking. And then just, the rest of the deco and more florals for this spread. So yeah, that is basically it. So I just yeah, it's just something different for me that I was really liking. So yeah, that's it, I think, for my base.
Is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. 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 Feeling is all gone.
All right, so let's start off with the day today. And for Monday, our neighbor gave an M&M cake. Yes, very sweet of our neighbor, and also the cake was very very sweet. I have no idea why she gave us a cake. I can't remember. Maybe summer cake. I don't know, but she's very nice. They always give cakes, like for whatever occasion. So that cake is from Grass by Tawi. And then after that, what else happened today? Oh, okay. So I again cleaned the house. Yeah, I guess this is still, when is this? August. Ah, okay. So that's why. It's still me and my daughter, I believe, are back home. And then that really cute like cleaning sticker is, or that cleaning, like, basket with the cleaning ingredients, not ingredients, supplies, is from Hello Petite Paper, and the clean script is from Paper Trail Plans. And then for the, what else? Oh, and then I was, as usual, watching And Just Like That, which is the Sex and the City continuation, when they're like so much older. Oh my gosh, you can already see how old they are. But it's still fun to watch. I cannot tell you what it's about because it's gonna spoil you with everything that has happened, if you haven't watched like season 1 and season 2. But anyways, it's always fun to watch those girls. But yeah, they're I think, yeah, there's like 3 of them there, then 1 new. Anyways, lots of new characters in there. And then let's see. So on Tuesday, I was reading. What was I reading or listening? Oh, The Rebel Witch. So it was the second part of, what was that? Of the Heartless Hunter, that series with Chris. I forgot the author's name. It's a very nice Italian name. But yeah, it was a good read. It's a dual kind of book. So at least you don't have to read so many series to that book, or books on the series. It's a pretty good book. I really like it. It's like more of like what girls can, well, usually I think all of the books I'm reading, they're like really girl power. Yeah, let's go. And then I had a planning sesh, and then we got some peri peri chicken from our favorite chicken store, Peri Peri Chicken Store. All right, so on Wednesday I was watching this. If you watch Downey Live, he's the guy who goes like on lots of transportations, like trains, boats, and he was like doing this Europe to Asia with this Asian guy as well. It was so funny. I just loved watching that. That's what I was binging. On YouTube. And then after that, I was reading. What was I reading this time? I Hope This Finds You Well. So, okay, it's like a fiction book, and it's where this girl who was like being made fun of, and was like having some lesson, like administrative stuff that she needed to do, or like penalties that she had to do, and then she was actually able to get all the admin rights of like an IT or something, and then she was able to see all the messages, all the like the emails going through. So yeah, it's a pretty It's a pretty funny and pretty serious kind of book, but I had fun reading that. So yeah, that was it's more of a general fiction kind of book. And then I had another planning sesh, and then now we're on Thursday. So this check-in actually is I was checking in both my mother-in-law and my husband because they were gonna come back home to the US. So yeah, so my husband is coming from Vietnam. My mother-in-law is coming from the Philippines. So they were gonna go meet up in Taiwan. Yeah. And they were gonna go together from Taiwan to the USA. So I don't know. They leave everything to me, like all the, documentation or everything, all the administrative stuff for like travel. I'm the one. I am the one who plans everything. I'm the one who books everything. So yeah. They are traveling princesses. All right, so I did take out what did I take out on Thursday? Some the corn, elotes corn. I love those. And then also McDonald's for my daughter, I believe. And then I was watching the Now You See Me part 1 and 2. I already watched this like before, but I was just so interested. I'm just so interested in this movie where they have like, the illusions. They're like it's like heists, and also I really love that. So I think there's a part 3, season 3. I'm just waiting for, not season 3, but part 3 of the movie that I'm waiting for it to go on streaming. So, I can watch that as well. And then I did Friday, my daughter had a ninja class. And then I went for Target to buy some groceries I needed. And then I was also watching this time Sirens on Netflix. And it's this very weird, movie, but it's still, it just catches my my attention. About this assistant to this very rich family, and all the family drama, and yeah, it's fun. It was fun to watch. And then what else happened? So I'm decorating this bottom of the page because there's like extra white space that I just wanted to have some deco on it. So that's why, that's where I put it. And then I was able to upload, I think in the morning, or the top part, I uploaded a plan with me or my daily setup. And then this time I did cook sinigang, so which is the sour soup that we usually have with tamarind in it, because this is I think this was a request from my husband, because since they were coming home, we did go, my daughter and we went to the airport to pick up my mother-in-law and my husband. It was like nighttime already. I think it was like 8 or 9 that they arrived. So so that's what happened on Saturday. They were finally home and they didn't have much problems getting in, so that was good. And then that is it for Saturday. Those cluster deco is from Sticker Guru, who used to be no more, not a shop anymore, but they like those stickers are from their shop. All right, so on Sunday I was reading, I think, hope this finds you well. Still, it's still that very very weird setup of this girl who was able to read all the messages, and you get to know about all the lives of these different people, and then they all come together, all the stories come together, and I'm like, oh my gosh, so cool. But lots of it's not as good, but I still found it pretty okay to read. All right, what else? I did upload a plan with me, and then I did watch Ballard and Normal People. All right, so this is the leftovers from the kit. This is in premium matte, and this is the full spread. This is the June 2025 mystery kit from the Pretty Pink Co. So pretty. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.